You guys want to hear a shocker? It's 1:30 a.m. and I have to be up in 2 hours. I was doing my homework, so you can't be mad at me. Only I can be mad at me for forgetting that I had homework until 3 hours ago. And I didn't even do it all. So at some point in Atlanta, I'm just gonna have to sit down for a little bit and do my homework. But on the bright side, I have some fun stuff planned for tomorrow. Hopefully it works out. Alright, so I guess I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to go to bed at about 2 a.m. Then I'm going to sleep until 7:20 directly through my flight. I don't have an intro yet, but I just slept through my fucking plane. So I think I'm going to go to Atlanta tomorrow now. I don't know what happened. Sometimes you can get up and you can remember like shutting off your alarm or like, but I don't. I had like 4 set on my phone and 3 over there on She Who Shall Not Be Named. Matter of fact, Alexa, what the hell happened? You were supposed to wake me up.
I don't know, you just didn't wake up, you punk ass.
Well, alright guys, now we have officially slept through 1 flight. I gotta stop telling myself there isn't a bright side to me waiting another day, because there was a bright side. I did all my homework, and I get to watch a good football game tonight that I would have missed. Well, that was a good game. Too bad it ended at midnight, and now I'm walking back. Oddly enough, my schedule's gonna get a little more constricted during my break than it is actually when I have class. It's gonna be a little unconventional. Hope you guys can stick with me, catch up on my old videos, maybe watch them 2 or 3 times, get my views up. Maybe YouTube will recognize me and add me to their partner program. We'll see. I doubt it. I'm not good enough. But what I'm gonna focus on now is being able to get up in the morning. Alexa.
Alarm set for 3:30 a.m. Second alarm set for 3:45 a.m. Third alarm set for 4 a.m.
Hopefully that will actually work. Ready? Well, I'm awake, which is a really good start. Now cue the super sick getting ready montage. I will see you soon, Reagan. You guys are probably sick of seeing Reagan Airport by now. Now I'm here in Atlanta. So I guess the question becomes, what am I gonna do here? I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm gonna get on the train and go into town. All right, now I'm in Atlanta. Wait, did Coke start here? Those trees are lit. Not gonna lie, Atlanta, it's a bit nippy here. What is it with the South getting real cold when I come down here? Cool fountain though. It's another cool fountain. This is the International Peace Fountain. Well, Peace Fountain. All right, Atlanta, like, I like fountains, but it's getting kind of repetitive now. All right, so I could have done a lot more research before coming here because I really don't know where to go, but I think I found something I'm gonna do later. Wait. There's a fat Ferris wheel. Oh, so now I'm in Olympic Park. There's a bunch of flags. Oh, and these are all like torches. You'll never believe what else there is. Another f***ing fountain. Let's see if I can remember how to say hello in like all those different languages for those countries. Worth a shot. Zdravstvuyte. Hola. ¿Qué pasa? Konnichiwa. G'day, mate. Hello, governor. Sorry there, bud. We surrender. You like IKEA? Like, oh my God, Becky, I haven't seen you in forever. And now that I'm through embarrassing myself and making fun of multiple cultures and countries, did a quick Google search, and turns out, yes, Coca Cola was founded in Atlanta, and they have a big fat factory that people can tour. So I'm gonna do that. Honestly though, don't tell anybody, but I'm kind of more of a Pepsi guy. Construction workers? They got you too? Scooters are everywhere, man. They're unstoppable now. But gosh, Atlanta, you're a really picturesque city. That was a really hard word for me to say, so you better appreciate that compliment. Assuming that's the Coke factory. I guess I can't really drag places now for being all Christmassy. Pretty much the holidays now. I love me some good capitalism. Wonder how long this guy's been waiting for somebody to cheers him. I got you, buddy. There's your problem, man. It's not a real cup. It's just welded to the table. What's a little bit sad is here's the line to get into the Coke Museum, and here's the line to get into the Civil Rights Museum. Yeah. Am I gonna go to the Civil Rights Museum? No. But perhaps someone should. I don't know. I think it's probably because the Coke factory gives free samples of Coke, and I doubt the Civil Rights Museum gives free samples of civil rights. Just a marketing idea. Cane sugar. Does taste a little different, I think. Could be a placebo, but...
Welcome to the Coca Cola Loft.
You're never gonna believe what city is up on the board right now. Bangor. Alright, I'm gonna pick my next state right here. The school can't be that slow. Gotta be honest. Okay, so I'm told there are 67 flavors on display today, and I think I owe it to you guys to try every single one, being that this is a food channel, and this is where Coke was founded, so 67 flavors from all around the world. Go. Clear winner. Definitely the best. Quite literally the only good tasting one. Big fan of the ginger ale. Oh God, for some reason, North America has 24 different flavors. So I'll pick one winner from all 24. Cannot go wrong. And just when I thought it was over, there are several more. Oh, someone please kill me. Vanilla Coke is the objectively greatest flavor of Coca-Cola, which I guess. That was me trying every single flavor that they had on display. Just some advice for you guys. Never do that. Never. What an absolute terrible decision. You guys might think it's all funny and cute, but you know it's not cute? Diabetes. And I definitely am on track to getting that now. To be honest with you, I don't know what to do now. I would go on the Ferris wheel now, but I'm almost certain I would throw up. All right, just starting to think Atlanta just has a thing for fountains. Soda fountains, regular fountains. I guess that's it, but a lot of them. Come on, guys. You guys really think that I would go to Georgia without hitting a Waffle House? Come on, let's do this. Most people know Waffle House is a southern staple. Did you know it originated in Georgia? Just about 10 miles from where I am right now. You gotta get some variation of hash browns here. If you don't put ketchup on whatever you get at Waffle House, what are you doing?
Hey, thank you, Winifred.
All right. I think it's time. You can literally see everywhere we've been. That brick building is the Waffle House right there. There's the Olympic Park over there. You can see the Coke factory right there. Didn't really get to explore much, but covered a lot of bases here in Atlanta just by walking around pretty close. This is Georgia. Well, I guess it really only leaves one thing to do, and it involves peach cobbler. I found the spot. It's 2:47. I'm about 6 minutes away from the restaurant. My flight boards at 4:35, so I'll be cutting it close, but I think I can make it. Going to Mary Mac's Tea Room. Place is on like a bunch of lists for having like some of the best peach cobbler in Georgia, so therefore in the world. We are in business. Doesn't look so fancy in a to-go container, but peach cobbler though.
I'm gonna tell you right now, that looks not appetizing at all, but I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my God. Shocker, the peach cobbler in Georgia, fucking stellar. What is it with the South and fruity delicious desserts, man? Y'all are onto something down here, and I hope I'm onto something pretty soon, and by onto something I mean onto the train, because my flight boards in an hour. And it's time for a segment of Stupid Facts with Joey. Did you know that the state of Georgia was named after King George II? Did you know that Georgia is the #1 producer of the 3 Ps, pecans, peanuts, and peaches? Did you know Georgia is the largest state east of the Mississippi? Did you know that the largest infantry training center for the military in the world is right here in Georgia? And thus concludes Stupid Facts with Joey, and pretty much my stay here in Atlanta. It was real Atlanta. Hi guys, this is Rigby. Safe to say I made it home okay. I'm actually watching Charlie's dog. This is Charlie and Hunter's. That was Charlie and Hunter's dog, Rigby. They're down south for Thanksgiving, so I'm up here watching him for the week and watching him do. But anyway, that was super fun. So glad I got to go to Atlanta today. It was just a really picturesque, did it right that time, city. And the Coke factory was really cool. The Waffle House, like always, just legendary. And the peach cobbler, obviously amazing, really fresh. But seeing how it's coming up on holiday season, I thought I would sort of express how thankful I am to be able to do this, to be able to go to all these states, to try this food. It's something that very few people get to experience. And I hope that by making these videos, I can sort of share that experience with you guys, because honestly, like doing it alone is pretty lonely. It might seem like I'm having fun, but I'm having a lot of fun because you guys are here with me, because I'm making a video, I'm talking to somebody the whole time. If I was just here by myself, it would be kind of depressing. But I'm really thankful for those who watch. Thankful for my mom working so long for American and US Air and Piedmont Airlines to give me this privilege until I'm 23. I'm just very thankful for this whole experience. Have a really nice Thanksgiving. Tell your parents you love them. I don't know when the next video is going to be, but I can promise you one thing, it's going to be a good one. So yeah, bye guys.